Life is a journey filled with twists, turns, challenges, and victories. To navigate it successfully, you need a clear strategy, an actionable plan that guides you toward your goals while allowing flexibility to adapt to unexpected situations. In this video, we are going to explore how to craft a winning strategy for life, covering aspects like goal setting, time management, personal growth, and maintaining a positive mindset. If you've ever felt stuck or uncertain about your path, this video is for you. The first step in creating a life strategy is defining your vision. What do you want your life to look like in 5, 10, or 20 years? Your vision isn't just about career aspirations, it includes relationships, health, personal growth, and even how you contribute to the world. Take some time to reflect and write down your dreams and desires. A clear vision serves as your compass, helping you make decisions that align with your long-term goals. Once you have your vision, break it down into actionable goals. Think of your goals as stepping stones toward your vision. Use the SMART framework. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," set a goal like, "I will work out 3 times a week for 30 minutes." Breaking big aspirations into smaller, manageable tasks makes them less overwhelming and more attainable. Another key element of a life strategy is time management. Time is your most valuable resource, and how you use it determines your success. Start by prioritizing your tasks. Use tools like the Eisenhower Matrix, which categorize tasks into urgent, important, and non-essential. Focus on what truly matters and learn to delegate or eliminate tasks that don't align with your goals. Create daily and weekly schedules that include time for work, relaxation, and personal growth. Remember, a good life strategy balances productivity with rest, ensuring you avoid burnout. Equally important is building resilience. Life will throw challenges your way, and your ability to bounce back is crucial. Resilience starts with mindset. Cultivate a growth mindset by believing that setbacks are opportunities for learning and improvement. Practice self-compassion. When things don't go as planned, don't dwell on failure. Instead, focus on what you can do differently next time. Surround yourself with a strong support system, friends, mentors, or even a coach who can offer encouragement and perspective during tough times. Personal growth is another cornerstone of a solid life strategy. Commit to lifelong learning by continuously improving your skills and knowledge. Read books, take courses, and expose yourself to new experiences. This keeps your mind sharp and adaptable in an ever-changing world. Equally important is emotional growth. Work on understanding and managing your emotions, as well as improving your relationships with others. Strong interpersonal skills can open doors to opportunities and create lasting connections. Health should also be a top priority in your life strategy. Without good health, it's difficult to achieve your goals. Focus on a balanced lifestyle that includes regular exercise, nutritious food, and adequate sleep. Incorporate mindfulness or meditation to manage stress and maintain mental clarity. Remember, your body and mind are the vehicles that carry you through life. Take care of them. Financial stability is another vital component. Develop a clear financial plan that includes saving, investing, and budgeting. Understand your needs versus wants and practice mindful spending. Building a safety net allows you to focus on your goals without the constant stress of financial insecurity. If needed, consult with a financial advisor to create a strategy that aligns with your life vision. Let's not forget the importance of gratitude and giving back. A meaningful life isn't just about achieving personal success, it's also about contributing to the well-being of others. Practice gratitude daily by reflecting on what you're thankful for. This simple habit can shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance, allowing you to see possibilities even in challenging situations. Find ways to give back. whether through volunteering, mentoring, or simply helping someone in need. Contribution enriches your life and creates a ripple effect of positivity. Lastly, embrace the idea of adaptability. No matter how well you plan, life is unpredictable. A strong life strategy isn't rigid, it evolves as you grow and as circumstances change. Periodically review your goals and vision and adjust your plans accordingly. Stay open to new opportunities and trust yourself to handle whatever comes your way. Flexibility is a superpower that allows you to thrive in any situation. In summary, a strategy for life is about creating a roadmap that aligns with your values, dreams, and priorities. It's about setting clear goals, managing your time wisely, building resilience, focusing on growth, and maintaining balance in all areas of your life. Remember, it's not about being perfect but about making consistent progress. Your life strategy is a living document, one that evolves with you and helps you navigate the incredible journey ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what your life strategy looks like or what areas you'd like to focus on. Thanks for watching, and here's to building a life full of purpose, growth, and fulfillment.